The cleanup continues from Monday's storms in the upper Midwest. This is Quasqueton, Iowa, eastern portion of the state. A family was living inside this mobile home, but moved out just a few days before those storms hit on Monday night. Several trees and power lines downed in the storm, several outbuildings damaged or destroyed. Weather Service crews still on the ground trying to assess the damage and figure out whether it was straight line winds or tornadoes that caused this mess.
And how do they tell the difference?
Yeah, they tell the difference in a couple of ways. Number one, they'll look at the damage patterns of the trees and the buildings and the power lines and whatnot, and then they'll assess just the degree of damage to structures, trees, and all that sorts. So once they figure that out, they're able to give a tornado a classified rating, and that leads perfectly into Weather Geek Speak today. It's almost like we planned that, right?
I get it this time.
It's called the Enhanced Fujita Scale. It was adopted by the National Weather Service in 2007. Wind speeds in a tornado are estimated by assigning degrees of damage, known as DODs, to an affected area. That DODs phrase, I guess you could say, used in the meteorological world. So here's the Enhanced Fujita Scale in its entirety. EF0 tornadoes include winds of 65 to 85 miles per hour estimated. EF5's 201 plus mile per hour winds. So certainly the Enhanced Fujita Scale is something we'll be using in the coming months. In fact, the tornado count for 2017 is at a 5-year high for the lower 48.